Oh no! Oh my gosh. My foot got Yo, what is up, gang? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. We're on the freaking clap Thumpstar right now. I'll show you the damage in a second. If you haven't seen my latest video, I did looper. But yeah, we're about to freaking explore today. Oh my gosh. Guys, bro, there's so many spider webs out here today. So we're just gonna have the visor closed. Hopefully I don't get bit by anything. Bit by gods, be looking out for your boy. Oh Lord. Holy moly, boys. We just went down a freaking destroyed forest right there. Tons of branches on the ground. Oh no! Oh my gosh. My foot got, my shoelace got stuck on my freaking 12 bar or something. Yeah, so this adventure is going freaking great, guys. Solo dolo. In the woods. Pretty much lost, don't know where the hell I am. Holy crap, bro. Ah! This is insane. Look a little better over here. Damn, I see something down there. Oh my god, I just got so muddy. Oh, I can't stop here. Oh my god. I'm stuck in the mud, bro. And I stalled my bitch. Bro, I swear I seen something weird down there. And I ain't going back because I'm already muddy as hell. Bro, look at the bike. It's a bad decision. We need to get out of this mud, bro. I gotta freaking sit. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is a bad idea. We're gonna have to go on foot. Ah, spider web! Oh my god, bro, this is terrible. This is a freaking dead end. Alright. Ah! Alright. Literally, look at me right now, just. Oh, right there's. It can't be that close, no way. No way it's that close. So if we go that way, we got road. Alright, this is definitely the worst decision. Oh! Bro, I don't think this is the way I came in. But I don't freaking know anymore. I just want to get out of here. No! It's not the way I came in. Bro, I was so happy for a minute. I thought I was gonna be out of here. But we ain't done yet. Hell no. Ow! For all you guys are hearing me screaming like, ah! Alright, we came from this way. Freedom! Holy, bro, that was terrible. But we survived. So definitely one of the worst decisions I've made on my pit bike was trying to go through that unknown trail. Because that was literally, that was bad. Screw. Might as well keep going, right? Bro, the only reason I went that far back in the forest, I seen something weird, bro. I seen like almost like a tree house, but like it had ropes on it. And then I get back there, and there's literally nothing back there. Like, that's some horror movie shit right there, dude. I swear, bro. It's like you see something crazy in the distance, you go look for it, and when you get there, there's nothing there. Like, what the hell? But we're on the pit bike, so we can dip easy, even though it was hard as hell to dip out of that because it was so muddy and bumpy. Alright, let's go on this trail. This one's a little more wide open. The boars are probably like, oh, that's right. The boars are probably like, yeah, what is this loud ass freaking dude coming through here for? Look at my back right now. I don't know if y'all can see. Yo, look at my back. Are you kidding me, bro? It's insane. I'm the only one freaking out here. I got spider webs on my helmet. Alrighty, gang. I hope y'all enjoyed this freaking madness of a video. Exploring in the forest by myself, getting lost for a second. Oh my gosh. I can finally breathe again, dude. Remember to stay motivated. We got some banger videos coming soon. I'm lost again. So wish me luck getting out of here. Ah! But yeah, I love you guys. Banger videos coming real soon. You know, we posting all bangers. No clickbait on this channel. Just real things that are happening in life. Bro, I'm lost. I swear, dude. Like, how the hell do I get out of here? Alright, we're good. Alrighty, peace. Are you kidding me? Every time I freaking... I'm so lost, boys. I really hope this leads somewhere. Oh my gosh. This is not the way I came in from at all. Oh! Holy moly. We're free. But we're free, fam. Peace.